A new CDC report gives fresh insight into the human toll of the pandemic. It says about 300,000 Americans who should be alive died between late January and early October. 2/3 of those deaths are directly blamed on the coronavirus. CDC experts say COVID may have played a role in the other deaths. For example, someone with a heart attack symptoms hesitating to go to the emergency room. Our lead national correspondent, David Begnaud, joins us. David, what else is in this report?
That the excess death rate, Anthony, amongst those 25 to 44 years old has jumped 25% this year compared to previous years. That is the biggest change among any of the age groups. And you know, this new information that we're getting from the CDC is coming at a time when a lot of people are actually fighting over businesses requiring us to wear these. Watch as a passenger appears to punch a Delta flight attendant in the face. The airline says the passenger was not following safety instructions. BBC reporters on board the plane say the traveler was refusing to wear a mask. The confrontation comes as the CDC is issuing new guidelines, strongly urging everyone to wear masks on planes, trains, and ride-sharing vehicles.
I wish they had come out saying this before, but again, it's never too late.
North Dakota is now leading the nation in cases per capita. The surge has led to its first mask mandate in 2 cities, Fargo and Minot, although the mandate carries no penalty for noncompliance. South Dakota's cases are also among the fastest growing in the country, with almost 35,000 confirmed positive. Listen to what the mayor of Sioux Falls, Paul Tenhaken, who is a Republican, says he's hearing almost daily.
Is this virus even a real deal? Is this the biggest hoax ever? So that's what we're dealing with.
For the record, the mayor does not believe in mask mandates, but he does believe everyone should wear one.
I need this entire region to be diligent. I need you in Northwest Iowa, Southwest Minnesota, Northeast Nebraska to be doing this as well, because when your people get sick, they're ending up in my city.
I was one of those people that was telling everybody that it wasn't real, but it is real.
Samantha Williamson wound up in an Oklahoma hospital infected with the virus. She is a mother of 3 who now has this warning.
Sitting in here, it makes you realize that we take everything for granted. It's not fake, and it is a struggle. Wear your mask.
Miss Williamson is expected to be in the hospital for another 2 weeks. You know, this month alone, there have already been 1 million new coronavirus cases in this country, 400,000 just in the last week. And Gail, this made some news yesterday. You know, Dr. Francis Collins, who is actually the boss of Dr. Anthony Fauci, Dr. Collins runs the National Institutes of Health. He told NPR yesterday that this Thanksgiving, he and his family are not having a celebration. He is calling it off because he is so concerned about this second wave that our country is facing.
Yep, I'm following. I'm doing that too. Just what Francis Collins is doing, I've called it off too. But David, I'm looking at your report. What has happened to us as a country that flight attendants who are there to protect you are getting hit in the face because they asked someone to wear a mask? And I'm sorry Miss Williamson is in the hospital, but really glad that she has now changed her tune and is putting that message out there.
Gail, the only thing we can keep doing is letting you hear from people like Miss Williamson, who was a non-believer and now got infected and is like, wait a minute, listen to me. It's real.
Yep. You're listening. Thank you very much, David Begnaud.